The job of a manager is to make decisions, much more than it is to do functional work. Decisions means that you solve a problem, that you give direction to the firm and others, and that you move the company forward. But we know that managers generally do not like to make decisions. Maybe they believe that things will come right by themselves and that they don't have to make a decision, which is nearly always wrong because time is not your friend and waiting solves very little. So let's walk through what it takes to make a decision correctly. We start out with what the issue is we're trying to solve. Narrow, clear, concise. No one wants you to boil an ocean, and you cannot solve big problems with one decision. Make it small, make it manageable, make it successful. We then gather the facts, the information that we need to know to make a correct decision, and usually those facts point us to what the correct decision is. And then we don't wait. We decide, we move on, and if the decision was not the best and can be improved on, then we will do that later. But we don't wait for competition to get ahead of us. We don't wait for markets to move. We don't wait until circumstances change. When the facts tell us what we need to do, we do it, and then we move on. If it's a good decision, it stays. If it's not a good decision, we'll correct it as we move on. Time is not your friend.